One Mustafa Papale and the Nobel Peace Prize winner, Aung San Suu Kyi, 20 years ago, 1990 for election campaign.
Okay.
That's me. Lumo. Loser, Lumo. Loser, cousin, brother, Lumo, me. Papale, number 1 Mustafa, I'm number 2 Mustafa. Nobel Prize. Okay? She's busy here. Yeah. Papale, Aung San Suu Kyi, Aung San Suu Kyi.
Yeah.
So my father comedian, my grandfather comedian.
Yeah.
So Mustafa brother comedian, 3 generations. We are chip of the old block. My name is Lumo.
My name is comedian Papale.
Papale. P-A-R L-A-Y. Le. Papale. L-U-M-A-W. Lumo.
Yeah.
Lumo.
Okay.
Only my brother has Mustafa. I had the Mustafa brother. Okay?
Right. How long have you been doing this?
Oh, I was young, 14 or 15. I was a young comedian. I started on the stage.
Okay.
90 or 20. I'm a greenhorn comedian. Now, okay, I'm so full of the education, comedian education. Okay?
Now there's 3 of you?
Yeah. So my young cousin brother now so somewhere.
Okay.
So 1996, Yangon Nobel Prize, the Aung San Suu Kyi house performing with 3 comedians, Papale, Lumo, Loser. But Yangon performing just 2. And then without me, that's why I'm escaped. I'm not rest. I watch my family and Mandalay, that's why I'm escaped. Papale, Loser, Yangon performing Independent Days, 1996. Many jokes, over 300 joking about the light in Burma, electricity power, no 24 hour. Water supply, no 24 hour. Education, no free education. Papale joke, yeah. Forced labor, everyone forced joke. That's why I come back Mandalay here, midnight rest in Mandalay, our house. Papale, Loser, 2 comedians, 7 years. But 2001 July, release, because many magazine, newspaper. Also Lonely Planet, Tourist Guidebook, they mention Mustafa brother. That's why Tourist use Guidebook, Lonely Planet, Tourist come here. 1996, 1 comedian, Lumo performance Tourist. I waited my brother coming back. 2001, Papale, Loser, alive coming back here. Now 3 comedians. So my township, Mandalay, my township, this area, like West End, like Broadway. So 50 dancing troupe.
Like what?
50 dancing troupe, like West End, like Broadway. Yeah, many troupe.
Okay.
Chance take, Bagam, they come higher.
Yeah.
We use all night show, all night. Not 1 hour, not 2 hour entertainment, all night. For example, you married, you make the party, your wedding, you hire, you pay the money. The people watch free, all night show, all night. Not 1 hour, not 2 hour. Maybe your house, so opening ceremony, new house opening ceremony, housewarming ceremony, you hire, you pay the money. The people watch free, all night show, all night. We start even in the morning, that's to dawn. Not 1 hour, not 2 hour. Now, tourists performing at home, 1 hour. 1 hour, very easy. Easy money. I rip you off very easy. I take you tourists to the cleaner very easy. 1 hour, okay? I'm joking. Okay, I need the tourists. Tourists come, Mandalay, Burma. I tell you everything. Because Mustafa brother house among the tourists, pressmen, journalists, media, and then they come here already, interview me already. That's why Al Jazeera interview me. Our entertainment show is from Al Jazeera TV. CNN, BBC, many times. That's why we are alive. The English newspaper, France, Germany, Italian, Holland, many language, media, writing already. That's why we are alive.
You can only perform for tourists.
Yeah, tourists not allowed, outside performance not allowed. Nobody hire. Government stop the ban. Even the home performance, officially not allowed.
Okay.
Home performance they stop the ban. But here we don't care. Because, and then so we are break the law. We tourists performing illegally. Every night performing, but not allowed. But no problem. My brother 3 times already, arrested 3 times. First time 1996, no 1990, 6 months, 1990. And then release 1996, 7 years. 2007, 35 days. Papale 3 times. Me never. I stay behind my brother, I support, I beg up my brother. I push my brother, go. That's why I'm escape.
Right.
Okay, I need the tourists come, I tell everything, okay? I need your help. So some tourists, they ask me, some writer, they ask me, now in Burma, but not some tourists, they ask me, and then so government situation.
Yeah.
That guy, the loser, comedian loser.
Hello, my name is comedian Luzo.
Now I tell you,
Hey.
you see here Tiger beer.
Yeah.
In Burma, Tiger beer, Tiger beer. Tomorrow, I will show you this beer. I take off the level. And then I stick new level, Johnny Walker. Back. Day after tomorrow, I take off the level. Here I stick new level, black, Johnny Walker black. After a week, I take off the level, I put a new one, and then see cognac. Say in Burma, yeah, new bottle, old wine. Okay, not change. Okay, like that. New bottle, old wine. Inside, same liquid.
Yeah.
We are comedian. Okay.
But I guess the situation in jail isn't particularly funny.
He's working the British store hard labor camp. So 1996, and there's two comedians sent to the hard labor camp, Kachin State. And many mosquito, every prisoner get the disease of malaria. Yeah. All prisoners, they need a medicine. Okay, hard working.
Yeah.
Now okay, now in there, so no problem.
Yeah.
And they are performing, joking.
Performing in prison.
Yeah, 3 plays, 3 times, also performing, loser, performing, yeah, they are clapping. This is daily life. In Burma, education not free. We joke.
Right.
Road, very bad road, joking.
Yeah.
Yours house, my house, light, not 24 hour, off on, joke. And then water supply, not 24 hour, joke. That's why what we saw, what here, wrong, mistake, we joking. One day, the real democracy, Muslim brother, free man. You can hire man through. Now you cannot hire. Because if you hire, your birthday, you need the permission. The permission, government control. That's why you cannot hire. That's why every town, every village, government control, permission.
Okay.
In Burma, different your country. Maybe your brother married, wedding, your brother want to hire, make the party. You need the permission for dancing through. You hire, government okay, give you permission, you can hire, mind through. Government control. That's why nobody hire. This one German language. This is Germany. What?
Right.
They stop the ban this way, this policy.
Okay.
That's why you cannot hire. You need the permission, but you won't get permission.
I see.
Any celebration, want to hire, dancing through, music through, you need the permission.
Right.
Which day, which troop you want to hire, you mention, write in a letter, you show the KGB agree, they give you permission, you can hire.
Okay,
That's
but
why
they won't do that for you.
Yeah, that's why they know we are blacklist.
Right.
That's why local people, other village, other city, they want to see, they want to hire, but they cannot. They won't get permission. That's why we perform at home. Even our home performance not allowed, stop the ban.
Right.
Our house, we don't care. Maybe tonight they stop, most of our family without makeup, without costume, performing 3 or 4 days, and then not coming back, KGB, not come. And next day we put again makeup, costume, we do like that. They stop the ban many times, but we don't care. We are
So they come some nights and they give you trouble.
yeah, in the night time, during the performance, no, they don't come. Only they want to rest only midnight.
Oh,
Maybe-
when the tourists are all gone.
Yeah, those is gone, midnight they come.
Okay.
But during the performance, not coming. The 4 or 5 days we performing without costume, not coming midnight. We know later they threaten me. They intimidate, how do you know? Intimidated.
Yeah.
Intimidation me. And we are continue to perform again, put the makeup, put the costume, and we do like that. They
No,
know.
yeah.
That's why tourists protect our family. Maybe arrest again my brother, tourists help. Among the tourists, pressmen, journalists, media, they come here. Also TV, the correspondent, interview me already, Al Jazeera, CNN, BBC, Germany TV, France TV, they came here already. That's why we are alive. Okay?
Yeah.
My name is Lumo,
My name is comedian Papali.
Mustafa brother,
My name is comedian Luzo.
yeah KGB, yeah Germany, Stasi, okay Stasi, yeah. I need a Papa version.